For a limited time only, I'm going to release my funding doc, which allowed me to get all the things that you see in this video. But don't just take my word, listen to what these people have to say.
I got several approvals. I got American Express for $15,000, Penn Fed for $19,000, Navy Federal for $8,000, Care Credit, which I used to get my hair plugs for $12,000. Life is good.
What would you like to tell the people out there in YouTube land?
Just wanted to let you guys know it is real, and I'm a living witness of it. Thanks to you. I got a few credit cards, so yeah. Listen, I had not one problem. It was 1, 2, 3. It was 1, 2, 3. Not one problem.
What is your exciting news?
I just got approved for $10,000.
When did you apply for the card?
I applied for the card today.
And there you have it. Real people who followed my instructions and now have credit. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.